Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to make icons bigger on Redmi 15. So we can do it in several ways. So the main way is to open home screen settings. Just press and hold on any free space on your screen and you will open this one. Click Settings, click More, and here you will see some interesting settings, but we are interested in home screen layout. Click on it and you can use 4 to 7 or 4 to 6. In 4 to 6 icons are bigger. The second way to do that you can find in the settings. So let's open settings, then scroll down, find here additional settings, open accessibility and find vision. In the vision you can find you can scroll down, find here display, and in display click display size. Here we have three sizes, S, and here we have L mode, and as you can see in L mode icons are bigger, display text is a little bit bigger too, and all system interface elements are bigger too. So click OK. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.